How to use Nexo Wallet. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Nexo Wallet, how to use it and how we can buy, earn, exchange and borrow cryptocurrency using Nexo. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up nexo.io and you will land on this platform right here. Nexo is world's leading crypto wallet and platform that allows you to earn, buy, exchange and borrow crypto. It's really easy to use and has all the right features and tools we need. In order to get started with Nexo, you will click on this Get Started option given here, and it will take you to your registration. So in order to get started, we will have to, set up an email and then a password. Once you enter your email address and your password, then it will give you a verification code, and then you have to click on Continue. So after the initial sign up or sign into your Nexo, this is where you will get, and now I'll show you all of the different features that we get on Nexo and how we can deposit funds, deposit assets, and then also make a passive income using Nexo. So let's get into the video. Before I actually start the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and buying and selling crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto and you truly understand all of the assets and everything, and then you can get started. This is going to be a beginner's tutorial for the platform Nexo and how you can use it. That being said, let's continue with the video. So you can see on Nexo we have these options given. We have account, transactions, exchange. In exchange I have buy crypto, sell crypto and swap, and then we have what is like a option which will come soon, and then we have like flexible instant crypto credit lines. So these are going to be the instant credit lines available on Nexo, and you can see deposit crypto asset to your unsecured and secured Nexo account. Credit line is now available. Spend money instantly with Nexo card and borrow cash and stable coins. No minimum loan payments, no hidden fee. This is actually pretty good. If I scroll down, it will give me an overview of my account. So this is my portfolio balance, this is our credit line and available credit, this is going to be our interest earned and loyalty level. So as we have just created the account, so it says 0, but of course as I build my portfolio, then this will increase in my credit line and available card, everything. Then scroll down and this is where I will be able to see all the assets available on Nexo. And if I want to deposit one, if I want to withdraw one, then I will actually have to go to the assets, and these are my assets. You can see we have, if we talk about the assets first, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Nexo token, XRP, Tether, then we have DAI, USD, Euros, GPG, BNB, then we have Polkadot, Dogecoin, Polygon, AP, Decentraland, The Sandbox, Uniswap, Aave, Sushi, Gala, Maker, 1inch, Solana. So all of these different assets are available. Avalanche, Phantom, Terra, Optimism. So all of them are available. Now, then it will show me my balance in that asset. So if I have deposited any of the USD coin, it will show me right here. If I have any bitcoins, it will show me right here, and so on, like all of the assets right here. I will be able to see my balance. And then we have credit line. As I showed you, I have just created the account, therefore it says 0 here. And then we earn interest. Now this is important, the percentage, to check what is earn percentage, earn up to percentage. So let's go with Bitcoin maybe, and what I can do is I can just click on it and it will give me an insight to what's happening and how I can buy Bitcoin and start earning. So this is where we get the earn option, and Nexo also focuses on making passive income with crypto. That is why it stands out to me as well, because it gives you very easy ways to earn crypto, to make money. So you can see top up or buy Bitcoin and start earning. Currently you will earn, so if I buy crypto right now at my loyalty level, at my interests, I will be earning 3% of flex terms and 4% of fixed terms. So this one is for me, and I can just click on top up. Similarly, we have like Ethereum right here. So I'm going to just click right here, and this is what I will be earning. So this is where you can calculate your earn interest. This is the top up button that we get. Click on top up and there you go. You will be able to, simply top up your Bitcoin, and make sure that you verify your identity as well. And then we have withdraw option, and then we have manage wallet. So this is also important. I'm going to click on manage wallet, and it will allow me to manage the wallets that I have. Now, if you have more than one wallet connected, because as we do on Nexo, what I can do is I can connect my MetaMask, I can connect my Solana wallet, I can connect my Cardano wallet, whatever wallets I want to, I can just connect to my Nexo. So this becomes really easy for us to deal with all of these different assets and withdraw and exchange. So it depends on us. It's all asset. Then we have crypto, stablecoin, and FITech. So you can see it's all assets right now. If I go to crypto, it will just show me the crypto assets available. Then we have stable coins. So if I click on stable coins, now I only have stable coins, which is Tether, USD coin, True USD, and DAI. And then we have FITX, in which we are getting USD, Euro, and GPG, which is like a FITX. So you can customize your search, of course. Moving on, we have borrow option, repay option, or exchange. So I'm going to show you the exchange option first, that how we can exchange on Nexo. So once you get to the option right here, you will get buy, sell, and swap, and you can simply do that as well. Again, you will have to actually verify your identity in order to do that. Then we have transactions right here, and this is where I will be able to see all the transactions that are happening. Now, if I am actually trading in Bitcoin and using and buying Bitcoin, then I will be able to check all my transaction history here, and Nexo will allow me to make passive income out of it as well. Now it depends that how much I am actually borrowing, selling, what's the APR, what's the earn interest, everything will be calculated first, and then I can just start making transactions, and the history will be shown right here. In exchange, we have buy crypto option, which is buy with your wallet balance, and then we have sell crypto, and then we have swap option right here. Again, it will take me right here, and I will be able to use all of the different features. If I take you to the settings of profile, now this is the important section that I would like to show you guys on Nexo. It's identity verification. It's really important. So what you can do is you can verify your email, and then you have to verify your personal info by submitting a mobile number. And then we have identity verification. That will actually give you and unlock all the features. You can see the feature include transfer assets, earn interest, borrow, exchange, buy crypto with a card. We can buy crypto with a Visa or a MasterCard. That's so easy. And then we have Nexo card and referral program and governance award as well. When it comes to the limit, this is going to be the limit for our Nexo. So keep that in mind if you're going to be transferring and buying crypto directly from your credit cards or your debit cards. So that's how it will work. Now I'll take you back to the account, and let's say that I want to actually check out the asset. So what I can do is I can actually go ahead and just check out more and more assets available, and I personally go with the crypto. So I'm just gonna go to like crypto right here. Again, this is not a financial video for you guys to show you which coin you should go for or where to invest and what to do. This is a Nexo tutorial for you guys to show you all the features and tools we're getting on Nexo and how we can use them. So right here we have the exchange and transaction, as I showed you before. It's a really easy platform to use that will allow you to borrow crypto, lend crypto, and earn with crypto. You can actually make passive income using Nexo. Just exchange. You can also like check your earn interest by just buying crypto. You will be able to make money on Nexo. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.